So we are talking of the use. We are talking about the use of comparatives with these adverbs: much, a lot, far, which is equal a lot, a little, and they are adverbs. Which means that they change. Let me write here. Which means that they change the comparatives. Or they put them in a category. Let me explain this category. Imagine that this scale, okay, this is a scale, and this is the maximum that something can get, and this is the minimum that something can get. For example, more important. Let's say that this lesson is more important, but how more important it is? If it's here, for example, on the top, somewhere here, I would say it's much more important, and more important is only an example, much more important, a lot more important, far more important, and if it's here, I would say a little more important, or also a bit more expensive. Let me give you some practical examples. My computer is much more expensive than you must use than this computer. I could also say my computer is much, instead of more expensive, I could say my computer is much cheaper than this computer. Exactly the same idea for a lot. I am a lot happier with this than I was with that. So this makes me a lot more happier than that did. Far, it's exactly the same thing as a lot. So for example, this house is far bigger than my house. Okay, so far put this in a very high category of big, and a little is the opposite. A little put it in the lower part of the category. So I would say, for example, this chair is a little better. Oh, okay. Better than the other chair. Okay, it's better, but it's not here. It's here, a little better. The better. What you're saying here is that one thing influences the other proportionally. So, for example, if I say here, the more money, the better. It means that one thing influences the other proportionally. So if you increase this, you increase this. If you increase this more, you increase this more. If you decrease this, you also decrease this proportionally. Okay? Older and elder. Let me draw a line here. Older and elder. Okay. Older is the comparative for old. Okay? More old. Older. And elder, you can use for your family. For example, you can say, he is my elder brother. Whoops. My elder brother.